Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera as always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fastlane Classic Cars. And this, well, if you don't know what it is, I don't know why you're watching this channel. It's a 67 Mustang Fastback. It came originally in lime gold poly, but as you see now, this is Acapulco blue. Yes, beautiful Acapulco blue. This car had long-term ownership here in Missouri. It is a deluxe interior trim. Look at the bucket seats. It is an automatic, a C4. 3-speed, but it's got air conditioning, power brakes, disc in front, drums in back, power steering, that beautiful steering wheel, and of course the large air conditioner, very large underneath. Love it. Love this car. Love everything about it. Really, really do. It's not perfect. There's a little things here and there. It is absolutely not perfect, but boy, is it pretty. Nothing's more iconic than this tail. Nothing's more iconic. Does have all the cool things and stuff. Love the trim. Beautiful doors. Man, it doesn't get better than this, Jake.
It's got a little 289.
This perfect little 289.
Dual exhaust. It sounds really good. And then you got the 15-inch Magnum 500 wheels as well.
Looks really good.
And I told you this before we started. I'd rather have Acapulco blue than gold.
Yes, we would, and we do. And we have it, so Acapulco blue is a beautiful color.
Doors open and close nice. You got the nice chrome trim on the edge of the doors and down below, and Chris has the hood open for us. That's nice.
Right here. But look at that, just fits right in there. A couple hundred horse back then, who cares? This is a nice car.
And there's your very nice AC unit.
Which is important.
It is important. Not today though, it's pretty cold today.
It's a little chilly today. It's chilly.
We're not gonna need it, but we can turn it on and try it out.
Why not?
I've tried it, it functions.
I like a functioning AC.
You ready to start it up?
Here you go, Jake.
Very nice, Chris.
I thought so.
Here's your mic.
Oh, thank you.
Please take that.
Come on in.
I'm coming on in. All right, and we're in.
We're in it to win it, ladies and gentlemen.
We are in it to win it.
And one of the most iconic cars ever to be made.
This is true. The 67 Mustang Fastback is pretty iconic.
Oh, I love it. I really do love it. And I like its little story of living here in St. Louis for over 20 years. One nice owner who took care of it. It has been repainted, obviously. It's been some time ago. They got a nice forward color, a fired color. Fired color. I know that needs to be tightened up, and we can do that. Oh, hello.
Here we go. You got your nice AC unit down here, automatic shifter, and then this is an upgraded radio. It's digital.
Oh, look at this.
Works well.
A lot louder than I thought.
I know, it's actually nice. I have it turned down right now. It gets really loud. The map lights are working. That's always nice. Here we go. In the beautiful Mustang.
Very nice. This is the hill that separates the men from the boys, the wheat from the chaff.
Yeah, this 289 makes plenty of torque. It can go up the hill just fine.
Oh my goodness. The clock's working.
No way.
Yes, Mr. Hammond.
We love a working clock.
Now send the helicopters.
We love a working clock.
It's a shocker.
Headliner seems nice.
Ooh, brakes are really good. Did not expect that.
Well, you got front discs. And
That's
their power.
true. And their power.
There's another blue Mustang. Look at that.
Not as cool as ours.
He was admiring our car. There's a reason for that.
As he should.
Ours is cool. Yeah, the dash is also in really nice condition still.
Do you feel and smell the heat?
I do feel the heat. I like the steering wheel too.
Yes, that's one of our favorite. The lot manager and I were just discussing that today, Mr. Austin.
Yep.
We love this.
And I like the gauges as well.
Oh yeah.
Also very nice. Very cool.
But feel it. I mean, it's tracking straight.
Braking straight.
Braking straight.
Braking really straight.
Sounds really, really good.
Yeah, the dual exhaust sounds good. I think I'm mostly a Chevy guy when it comes to older cars. I will admit that.
Sure.
But the Ford small blocks, I think, sound better than the Chevy small blocks.
It's a tough one, but I
like
have
when
to
I
say,
hear a 289 or a 302 or even a 351 just ripping, I always think to myself, that sounds better than almost anything.
it does sound good. And this car is a nice, well done car.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, there's some paint little issues over here and on the hood, and I will point that out to anyone who asks, but
there's some touch-up spots, but
it's
that's
just a nice driving car.
It is a nice driving car, and you're not going to be worried about it.
And this will make you proud. I mean, no matter where you go. If you want to get that paint fixed, you go ahead and do it. But I am telling you, this is a nice little driver.
Yeah, but you're not going to be scared to drive it around, which you shouldn't be. You should be able to enjoy this car as often as you can.
Early and often, as I always say.
Especially with the AC and the 289. I mean, this is just a cruiser.
And if you want to put a 4-speed, put a 4-speed.
No.
I don't care.
I like the automatic. You can take it anywhere. Go to the grocery store in your Mustang.
Anyone
These
can
cars
drive
are meant to be driven.
And this car is a driver.
Definitely. And it drives nice.
I like it. So far, so good.
The visors aren't drooping in my
I like
face.
this. This is neat. Yeah, this is cool. Does that come? I assume it came that way.
Well, of course it did. Maybe that's part of the deluxe interior or whatever.
Deluxe.
I don't know. It's nice though. Got a nice glove box over here as well, which
you can
opens.
plug things in and stuff.
Nice. You got rear seats, or if you want, you don't have rear seats.
Ah, that's
You can
right.
fold that down for cargo space.
That is part of that deluxe package.
It is, and then I think those are vents back here that you can open and close
Oh, no way.
on these little side panels.
Love it.
Very nice.
Love it. No, it's a nice car. And lime gold poly. I think Acapulco blue is a little bit better.
Yeah, I'd rather have Acapulco blue. That's just me though. Lime gold poly seems like a grandma color. This is a Mustang, by God. Why would you want a grandma color on your Mustang?
You don't, actually, you don't.
Exactly. All right, ready for a bean test?
I was going to try going underneath that truck, but I didn't do it.
Bad idea.
Let's get around this bimp.
Yeah, let's get past
It's
the
actually
boom.
a larger bimp. It's getting worse.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, there you go. Oh. Ooh, feel the kick down. Very, very nice.
Transmission
Now, obviously,
shift's
I'm not
really
going
nice.
to run to the ragged edge, but boy, that's some kick.
Yeah.
Scared me a little bit.
That automatic is shifting nice.
Hot shifting action.
Hot shifting action is right.
I like it. It's a driver. Boy, I really like this car. Man. And it just drives nice. I can't wait to hear it when you're ripping by.
Yeah, I think it's going to sound good. I'm excited for the Flybys.
Oh, I like this car a lot.
Oh, we have both door mirrors. That was probably a,
Well, now I know that was
it's a luxury option. And they're chrome.
We're ensconced in
And I
chrome.
like just a little bit of chrome trim on like the edge of the door that they give you and stuff.
Yes.
And the chrome around the windows that helps it seal.
I'm so glad it's Acapulco blue.
It's all very nice. All right.
All right, buddy.
Ready for Flybys? I
Are
wanna hear
you
it.
ready for flybys? I think that's the
Of
question.
course I am.
Of course he is, ladies and gentlemen. All right, wee man. Oh, that sounds good. Yeah, it's chilly, Jake. We don't want you cold. Let's put the old guy out there. That's fine. Sounds great. It's perfect for what it is. Man, it is a beauty. Pulling his window down. He's getting ready. There's those lights.
Hello, Chris.
Oh, hello, Jake. How are you? Let's get you right there in frame. Very nice.
Did it sound good?
Sounded great, actually. And
Yeah.
It looked fantastic.
It drives really nice.
It does.
Track straight, brake straight, sounds good. It's blue, black interior, AC, 289.
What else you want?
I don't know, and it's a fastback.
It is a fastback. The iconic fastback.
I don't want anything more. Do you want to take it back?
Let's go.
Let's go.
To Acapulco.